Let's see what's broken. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the wrecking ball. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Clean up the edges using a tool. You're so smart. Wonderful. Put a patch on it. Super duper. Wonderful. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Keep going. That's great! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. The pipe is broken. No gasoline. Lock by size. Super! I knew you could do it. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super! Wonderful! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Super duper! We have to look in the engine. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Awesome! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. That's great! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Magnificent! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. All done! Now help to assemble wrecking ball. Keep up the great work! Now we can upgrade the parts! We need to get to the construction site. Keep going.